Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in on your Westpac online banking account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video, and then you can log into your online banking account as well. First of all, just open up a Google browser and then go into a search bar and just type for Westpac login and hit on enter. After you do so, the results will be on the screen. Click on the first link that shows up. And now this will take you to the official login site of Westpac Online Banking, where you need to input your personal details to help you on your login. Now, you just need to input your customer ID and your passport. But in case you forgot your customer ID or even your passport, you can use this button below, forgot your customer ID or passport, to help you reset and retrieve it. And you can also take this box, remember customer ID, if you are using your own private computer. But I would not recommend doing so if you are on a public computer. After inputting credentials correctly, just tap on sign in and then you'll be signed in into your Westpac online banking account. And that's how you can sign in into your Westpac online banking account. This much for this video, and I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.